Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. So today I come again with a new topic in success factors, and as you already seen from the thumbnail, our point of discussion today is on help text, how we can populate help text in MDF and portlets in success factors. But before moving on this topic, I like to request everyone, please pause your video for a while, hit the red subscriber button, and please also reach out to my previous uploads as well. You can check the playlist as well in the right top corner by hitting the eye icon. You can find the playlist there, and I hope those previous uploads video on success factors can be helpful for you as well. And if you subscribe to my channel, definitely for the new upcoming videos you will get the notification at the earliest. So guys, just let's resume back and enjoy this today's topic. So today, as I already told, our discussion is on help text. So first we will see how we can populate help text in the MDF, and that we can do via configure object definition. There is help text option is itself available, so it is quite easy. We just need to maintain that help text there and it will be populated in the MDF screens. And the second option that is very much interesting here, how we can populate the help text in portlets. So there we need to maintain one ECHelp object itself. What is the procedure and how we can maintain that, we'll see today in the hands-on configuration in the system. But before moving on these two, there is one prerequisite as well, and the prerequisite is in provisioning hide employee central v2 help link. There is one option is available, so that option need to be unticked. If you tick that option, then no help text will populate in your instances. So just keep remember that hide employee central v2 help link, these option need to be unticked in provisioning system, so that you want to populate, you can see your help text in the instances. So let's go to the system and check out. So guys, we have logged into the system right now. uh, First, we'll check how to populate the help text for the MDF objects, and to do that we need to go to MDF object definition first. And where we can find the MDF object definition, for that we need to go to configure object definition tool. So let's go in there, configure object definition. Here is the option. So we come into the configure object definition tool. Here our objective is to populate the help text for an MDF. So let's pick up one example MDF, like cost center. So we are going to populate help text at the field level of a cost center. So how to do that? Let's go to object definition first of the cost center MDF. Cost center. So after moving in, let's take action, make correction for to make the fields editable here. And in cost center you can find there are the which fields are available for cost center, you can find it here. So let's say in the name field we want to populate one help text. So let's go to the details of name. Here you can see one help text option is already available. So here you can put your help text. I'm just for an example putting this is MDF help text. You can put your text as per your requirement from client, and you can make the translations also, which language packs are available from your system based on that. So I'm not going for the translation part at this moment, just populating the help text. Finish and save it. Now after saving, let's test that how the help text is populating in cost center. Let's go to manage data. Manage data. Manage data. So let's pick up one cost center here. And if you see in the name part, you can find this help text, that question mark symbol is coming, and the help text, if you click on that, this is MDF help text. That help text we have maintained there. So this is how we can populate the help text for a MDF object at field level. You can see this help text is populating at the field level. Similarly, not only for name, you can maintain the help text for rest of the fields as well, for cost center or any other MDF objects as well. Now let's coming to our next point, how to populate help text at portlet level. So what do you mean by portlet level? Let's pick up one employee, this employee John. I'm picking up for an example. So here you can see in the employee level, we can find different portals are available for this employee: personal information, employment, payroll information, time, benefits, and etc, etc. So if we want to populate help text at portlet level, then for an example, if we pick up for job information, here you can see no help text is available, no question mark symbol is available. So here our objective is we want to add one question mark symbol here. That means we want to add one help text here, and we want to populate that to the employees, so that when they are maintaining data, that will help them what this portlet actually referring to. So let's do it. For to do that, we need to go to one object called ECHelp. So let's move in there. Manage data. Here in manage data, already one MDF is available called ECHelp, and this MDF is being built for the purpose of populating help text at the portlet levels. So here let's see, is there any data available or not? No data is available at this moment. So let's try to understand first what is the definition of ECHelp. Okay, then we can apply that in our configuration. Let's open a new tab and go to configure object definition, where we can find the definition of any MDF. Object definition, and let's put ECHelp. So from ECHelp's definition, we can see this is an non-effective dated entity, and if we check closely, there is one association maintained with another object called ECLocal. So ECHelp is the parent object and ECLocal is the child object which is dependent on ECHelp. So let's check the definition of ECLocal as well. Let's open in another tab. Let's go to configure object definition. Here it is. Choose object definition, ECLocal. So as I told you, ECLocal is an child object. That means its effective dating is from parent. So it is not a parent object, and it cannot be displayed without any parent object. So here ECLocal's parent object is ECHelp. So if we check more closely here, the external code. So if we try to create any ECHelp object via manage data, you can see external code is coming, but in the drop down there are some values are maintained. So how these values are maintained here? So basically there in the backend there must be some pick list, so we need to trace that pick list first. So that pick list is associated with external code, this field in ECHelp. Let's go to the details part, and you can find the pick list value, and the pick list ID is local, LOCALE, local. So let's try to find this particular pick list. Yeah, here is the pick list called local. Here two values are maintained, en underscore gb, en underscore us. So if you want, you can maintain other languages as well as a part of these pick list values. If you want, you can maintain en f4, that is for French language. A label you can put as French, you can save it. But remember one thing, the external code should be the same as the language pack's external code. What do I mean by that? So if we try to justify that, let's go to language part, manage languages. You can find it from provisioning as well. So here in manage languages, you can find which languages are enabled in your system, and you can find the local IDs, that is the external codes, is maintained in this way. BS and for French, for it's called FR. So we need to maintain here not EN, FR. So intentionally I just did maintained as EN to make you understand that if you maintain this external code with the wrong one, the long language key, it will not populate in your help text functionalities. So that's why it is very important to maintain this external code as per your language packs external code itself. Okay, so let's save it again. Now coming to our data maintenance. Okay, now our objective is to maintain one help text here for one portlet called job information. So here one thing is very important in the help text external code, that the portlet IDs only need to be placed as the external code. If you don't put the portlet IDs, then it can this ECHelp cannot link with that particular portlet. And how we can know the portlet, what is the portlet IDs of different portlets? For that I have captured those portlet IDs. So here I captured all the portlet IDs which we need to maintain in the ECHelp. So as per that only, and this is case sensitive as well, so only those particular portlet IDs you need to maintain as the external code in the ECHelp. So for job information you need to maintain caps job underscore information. For personal information you need to maintain personal all in caps underscore information. So I try to put these information in the description of this video, so that in future if you try to build any ECHelp, you can take help from that list as well. So here to prepare the ECHelp for job information, you need to put the external code as job underscore information. External name you can put anything as per your requirement. Here I'm putting help text for job info, and in from these external codes, as we already seen how to maintain this pick list, you can pick up your required values from here. I'm picking up the UK, that means English UK, and here as a content, that means which is going to be populated as a text in the help icon. you can write down the text here. I'm just putting here this is help text for job info, and second value I'm maintaining US, that is English US, and context and content we are maintaining this is help text for job info. Let's save it. So now let's see how it is populating. Let's go to one employee, John. Let's go to the employment, and here you can see in job information the help text is populating here. If you click the help text, this is the help text for job information, that is the content we have maintained here. So now we can see this is tested successfully as well. Now one question can be raised, can we change the format of this text as well? Yes, we can change it, and how to do that, let's see again. So to change that the format, that means we need to enable some special format editor. Here in SuccessFactors one option is available, that is rich text editor, RTE. How to enable that? First we need to go to we need to create one custom UI for that. Let's create one custom UI, manage configuration UI. From here we can create one custom UI, and this custom UI we are going to create for ECHelp. Let's create one test. I just putting one unique ID of ECHelp underscore test. The base object should be ECHelp. When you choose the base object, whatever the fields are maintained in the ECHelp definition, those are picked up here. Now in the content part, if you go to edit properties and display as these option, we need to choose as large input field, and RTE, that is nothing but rich text editor field. Yes, we make it enable, and OK, and save it. So when we save it, we can see this editor comes with different formatting tools or options available. Now we need to make available this screen for ECHelp in the manage data as well. How to do that? Just capture this screen ID, go to ECHelp, configure object definition, that means ECHelp's definition part, make correction, and in the default screen I'm just putting it here, ECHelp, and save it. And after saving, let's come in here again and try to make correction of that, or just refresh it. So after refreshment, whatever the change we have done, it comes, and you can see now the content is now editable for with this RT format, rich text editor format. So here we can change the format of the text. Suppose I'm choosing this format as Comic Sans MS, this format, and here as well for US English as well I'm choosing it at Comic Sans MS format, and let's save it. So we can see the now this format is getting changed. Let's see in employees view it is changed or not. Let's refresh once more. And go to employees job information. Here is the help text option. Yes, the format is getting changed. So this is how we can change the format of the help text as well in Portlet level. So hope you enjoyed this video, something new you have learned today, and enjoyed this content of this video as well. So if you enjoyed this video, I like to request you, please hit the like button and place your comment and do share as far as possible. Thank you guys. Thank you. Keep watching. Happy learning. Thank you.